Hello friends, welcome back to Siddhartha English Academy. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ చాప్టర్లో మీరు స్పెల్లింగ్స్ అండ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ అన్నటువంటి అంశం గురించి చాలా క్లుప్తంగా మీరు నేర్చుకోబోతున్నారు. 35 సంవత్సరాల ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కలిగినటువంటి శ్రీ ఎస్ రమేష్ బాబు ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఈ వీడియో మీకు అందించడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా శ్రద్ధగా విని దీంట్లో ఉన్న అంశాలను మీరు గ్రహిస్తారని చెప్పి నమ్ముతున్నాను. స్పెల్లింగ్ ట్రిక్స్ 2, ఇంతకుముందు స్పెల్లింగ్ ట్రిక్స్ 1 అన్నటువంటి వీడియో రిలీజ్ చేసాం. ఇది రెండవ వీడియో. వర్డ్స్ విత్ ప్రీపెయిడ్, ప్రికాషన్, ప్రీపబ్లిక్, ప్రిపోజిషన్, ప్రీ ఎమినెంట్. వర్డ్స్ విత్ ఫోర్ లెగ్, forenoon, foreplay, foreman, forehand. Words with hind leg, hindwear, hind part, hind room, hind body. Words with unwanted, unprepared, uncivilized, unmobilized, and unimportant. Words with immortal, immaterial, immoral, immensive, and immersion. Words with IR, irregular, irrelevant, irreparable, irresponsible, irresponsive. Words with degrade, degenerate, demoralize, de-addiction, distress. Words with outlaw, outdated, outline, outlay, and outside. Words with re-enter, restart, reappear, redo, and replay. Words with hyperzoology, hypertension, hyperactive, hypersensitive. Words with anti-corruption, anti-aging, anti-virus, anti-Hindu, anti-social. Words with midday, middle, middle force, middle way, midlife. Words with discontinue, disrespect, disappoint, disconnect, and disassociate. Words with under construction, undergrowth, underwear, underworld, and underprivileged. Words with intercollegiate, interstate, intermediate, interpersonal, interreligion. Words with malware, malpractice, malpreparation, malpaper, and mal ID. Words with non-vegetarian, non-violence, non-commercial, non-profit, and non-fiction. Words with subcontinent, sub-inspector, subconscious, subordinate, and subplot. Words with superstar, super fast, super ego, super soft, and superman. Words with telegram, telephone, telepathy, television, and teletext. Words with unicorn, university, uniform, unidirection, and universe. Words with ultrawave, ultrasound, ultramachine, ultraviolet, and ultra compact. Words with biodiversity, biopic, biography, biology, and bioanalysis. Words with microorganism, Microsoft, Micromax, microscope, microchip. Words with macroeconomics, macrobiology, macroorganism, macroanalysis, and macronation. Words with transformation, translation, transmission, transplantation, and words with heterogeneous, heterogeneity, heterosexual, heterogenes, heterothesis. Words with homonym, homosexual, homogeneous, homosphere, homogenes. Words with homeopathy, homeotherapy, homeomorphic, homeomedicine, and homeo treatment. Words with extra, extraordinary, extramural, extracurricular, extradural, and extra power. Words with polyclinic, polycarbonate, polygon, polytechnic, and polygamy. Words with self, self-employed, self-motivated, self-disciplined, self-grown, and self-confidence. Words with illiterate, illegitimate, illegal, illogical, and words with mono action, monopoly, monologue, monosyllable, monophthong. Words with biannual, bifocal, binary, binocular, bi-month. Words with triangle, tripod, triacid, trifold, triology. Words with tetrameter, tetrapod, tetragon, tetradon, tetraacid. Words with pentameter, pentapod, pentacle, pentology, and pentaangle. Words with hexagram, hexameter, hexaploid, and hexapod. Words with heptapad, heptameter, heptahydron, heptaangular, heptarchy. Words with octopus, octometer, octogenarian, octoroom, and octopod. Words with nonagonal, nonagenarian, nonaquar, nonacidic. Words with decade, decahedra, decadency, decameter, decalight. Words with hectagram, hectameter, hectapad, hectograph, hectography. Words with kilometer, kilogram, kilobyte, kilowatt, and kilobar. Words with home, homemade, home-based, home-built, home-managed, and home-cooked. Words with multi-family, multi-purpose, multimedia, multitask, and multi-use. Words with semi-final, semi-Christmas, semicolon, semi-transparent, and semicircle. Words with demotion, degrade, devalue, decrease, and delocate. Words with upgrade, upload, upward, uproot, and uphill. Words with foresee, forethought, forecast, forbear, foregrow. Words with automobile, auto rickshaw, auto pay, auto run, and autobiography. Words with antecedent, antedated, anteroom, antiquire, antidote. Words with broadband, broad-minded, broad view, broadcasting, and బ్రాడ్వే. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో ముఖ్యంగా మీరు నేర్చుకోవాల్సినటువంటి విషయాలు ఏంటంటే, ఒకటి స్పెల్లింగ్స్, రెండవది ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్. సరిగా రాయటం, సరిగా పలకటం నేర్చుకున్నట్టయితే ఈ వీడియో మీకు బాగా ఉపయోగపడినట్లు.